Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get more coins in Duel Match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is complete levels. Level rewards each completed level grants you coins with harder levels, typically offering large rewards. Unused moves, any remaining moves at the end of level are converted into coins, so finish with as few moves as possible for a bigger bonus. Play bonus level. Bonus level allows you to collect as many coins as you can until you run out of moves. These levels appear periodically and are specifically designed for earning extra coins. Number 3. Finish area tasks. As you progress, you'll have areas with a set of tasks to complete. Finishing an area's task fills a progress bar, and completing the bar rewards you with coins and other items. Number 4. Participate in events. Events like Team Battle, Propel Madness, and Royal League can award you with coins. Playing these limited time events whenever possible boosts your coin supply. Join a team. After level 21, you can join a team where members can exchange lives. This helps you play more often without waiting for lives to refill, indirectly helping you earn more coins by completing more levels. Collect cards. Once you reach level 41, collecting and completing card sets can give you coin rewards. Duplicate cards also help you fill duplicate card stars, which can unlock chests containing coins and boosters. Number 7. Check for social media rewards. Follow the official Duel Match social media pages, as they occasionally share codes and contests that rewards coins. And that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.